Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can gender swap on the CapCut PC app. So to do that, you're just going to grab a photo. Unfortunately, you can't use videos for this. I just have this photo here and I want to gender swap this girl to a guy. You can also do it the other way around, but it's the same thing. So select your photo, go to AI stylize, and you're going to select style, which is here, and you're just going to browse through these until you find face swap. Okay, it is in face swap. So there's this one which changes the gender from a guy to girl, and this one from a girl to guy. So I'm going to select this one and it's going to process. It will take it actually did not take a long time, and that's pretty much it. You can apply it to a lot of your photos here. I'll show you one more time. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!